It's Monday, November 7th. Oh, that's right. Tomorrow is voting day. What? And I put it off. I haven't voted, but I will tomorrow. Can't forget to do that. And I got to buy another lottery ticket because it's 1.9 billion. Billion with a B. The drawing is tonight. Got a lot to do. All right. I'm going to tell you about these fabulous needle sets that we have gotten in for the holidays. Fabulous gifts for yourself, to give a friend, to tell your loved ones to come in here and buy it for you. So let me show you. These, I haven't opened all of these up yet, so if you want to see them, I will certainly break them open when you get here. This is the newest one from Knitter's Pride. It's called Day and Night. Oh, it's so shiny. Day and Night. Oh, I wish it weren't so. There you go. Day and Night. And it's $140. And it's day and night because it is interchangeable tips that are combining black and natural tones in one needle. So it's quite beautiful. The natural wood and the black with the black cord, pretty stunning. Day and night. It's 8 pairs of needles from a 4 to an 11. All right, amazing. With the cord, 24-inch cord, 32, 40, end caps, all kinds of awesome things. This is a stunning set. Beautiful. Day and night. And on that same note, for all crocheters, I have the Symphony Rose Crochet Hook Set. This is 115, and so it's rosewood. So shiny, I'm so sorry. Let me go back here. There we go. It's rosewood, beautiful rosewood. All right, and they're gorgeous. There's a little detailing on the inside. So 8 single-ended crochet hooks, laminated birchwood, from an E4 to an L11. Okay, fabulous. 115. All right, back to knitting. This is the the abbreviated set of 3 sizes from this is the big set from a 13 to a 17. This is all great for all that Rasta yarn I've been showing you. These are fabulous for doing that. There are 20, well, actually they're not because these are longer cords, 24 inches and 32 inches, but still great for Rasta if you're doing a shawl or something else. Okay. So that's that set. Now back to crochet. This is the Knitter Pride Waves, which is all, I'm sorry, those silicone things are in there. It's a very cool set. It's in a green case with all these multicolors, and it goes from a, there's 9 hooks from a C to a J. C to a J, the price, $65. Also a nice gift. It does come in pink as well as green. We have ordered the green, so if pink is what you want, we can get it for you. All right, this is my favorite, the Carbons, which has the stainless tip and the carbonite shaft, which is slicker, not so slick. So it's got a nice sharp tip and not so slick center. This is a complete set from, there's 9 needles from a 2 to a 10 with a 24, 32, and 40-inch cords. Love this set. It's great looking. Again, too shiny. Sorry. That light is over my head. But anyway, this is a great set. Then the Dreams. This is for making hats and smaller things. This is a set of circular needles. They have all these little silicone packs in there. Each size is a different color. I think you can tell that. And so it has 7 knitting tips from 4 through 10. And there's two 16-inch cords inside. So this is perfect for your hats, etc., etc. Okay, and then the classic Knitter's Pride Dreams Symphony Wood. This is the complete, I can't stand that thing. I'm going to open this up so you can see it. This is just a great, I have one of these. I think we all have one of these. This is a great, well, it's still shiny because it's plastic. but it's a great set. Every needle is a different color. So beautiful. And comes with all these cords. It goes from a US 4 to an 11. Nice. And the price, $115. All right. Wow. Fabulous. And, excuse me, everything in Knitter's Pride and Dreams, it's all interchangeable, right? The cords, the tips, everything goes back and forth. That's one of the really nice things about Dreams and Knitter's Pride. And we have all of the individual needles. If you need a shorter tip, we have them, and it will fit with your Knitter Pride set. Got it? All right. I think that's it. I will see you tomorrow after I've voted, after I've won the lottery, all those great things. All right, I will see you tomorrow.